In this video, I'm going to be going over how to unpublish a WordPress site step by step. Unpublishing a WordPress website is a quick and easy process. By the end of this video, you will successfully have your WordPress site unpublished. Let's get started. To start, I'm in the WordPress dashboard. Hover over the Plugins tab in the left side menu. Click Add New Plugin. In the search box, type in Maintenance. You'll see the Maintenance plugin showing here. Click the Install Now button. Once it is done installing, click the Activate button. Once it is done activating the plugin, you'll be on the Plugins page. In the left side menu, find Maintenance and click on it. A pop-up with plans will show. Just click out of this area to proceed. Where you see Page Title, you can input the page title you want to show. Where you see Headline, you can change this to whatever you'd like. I'll change it to say, "This site is unpublished." You can input a description to whatever you'd like, or replace what is there with, "This site is unpublished." You can change the footer text to whatever you'd like. Click the Save Changes button when you are done with this section. Scroll down to the Design section. Where you see Background Image, if you hover over it, you can click the X icon to remove the image. If you click the Upload Background button, you can upload a background you want to use, or you can choose one already uploaded to WordPress. Scroll down. You can make changes to the background and font color. You can change the font and more settings for the background image. Click the Save Changes button once you are finished. Next, scroll up to the top. You'll see a toggle. If this is turned off, turn it on to unpublish your WordPress site. It might already be toggled on. You can preview your changes anytime you'd like by clicking the Preview button. It'll pull up a preview of your page. Click Save Changes to save your changes. Now, I'll pull up my site in a browser where I'm not logged in. You'll see my WordPress site is now showing unpublished. That is how to unpublish WordPress site. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more WordPress tutorial videos.